MCP has three components. Get these straight and everything else clicks. Think of it like a restaurant. The host is the restaurant itself. It manages the whole operation. The client is the waiter, carries order to the kitchen and brings result back. The server is the kitchen. It does the actual work. In MCP, the host is your AI application. Claude Desktop is a host. Your custom chatbot is a host. It owns the user interaction, talks to the LLM, and decides which tools to connect to. It's in charge. The client lives inside the host and has one job: maintain a dedicated connection to a single MCP server. One client, one server, always. If the host needs GitHub and Postgres, it creates two clients. The host never talks to servers directly. The client handles all the protocol work in between. The server is where capabilities live. It's a separate process that exposes tools, things like create issue, read file, run query. It doesn't know or care which AI model is on the other end. It just speaks MCP and does its job. Put it together. User asks a question. Host sends it to the LLM. LLM decides it needs a tool. Host hands that to the right client. Client sends it to the server. Server runs it. Result comes back the same way. The host orchestrates, the client communicates, the server executes. Every component does exactly one thing.